Did you know that WhatsApp can be a game changer for your business? In today's competitive world, effective communication is key to success, and WhatsApp is here to revolutionize the way you connect with your customers. With WhatsApp, you can provide instant support, answer customer queries, and even showcase your products or services, all in one convenient platform. Imagine effortlessly sharing updates, promotions, and exclusive offers directly to your customers' phones. It's like having a 24/7 marketing machine at your fingertips. And the best part? You can track and analyze your performance using WhatsApp Business API, gaining valuable insights to further refine your strategy. So take first step today. Call now for a free business consultation. Limited slots are available, so don't miss out.